Hey friends, welcome back to Steve's Farm Adventure. I'm Steve, and right now I'm cutting on some pipe. This is part 2 of our chicken tractor build, so ride along with us. If you've never been here, then we're glad you're here. Hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and touch the bell so you can be notified of future videos. I'm cutting off the 6 inches where I can put the T in and then come along and put the 90-degree elbow on. Basically, we're going to make a carbon copy of what's laying on the ground, which will be the top rail of the chicken tractor. Don't forget to clean off your burrs on the end of your pipe so that your fittings will slide up on there easy. Just measuring to see how tall the sides need to be, because that's 24-inch chicken wire right there. The side pieces need to be between 17 and 18 inches. Now I'm going to start and check the top rail on this side. Let's see how she works out. Hopefully it'll work out really good. Now remember, we're just dry fitting this stuff, so nothing's glued up yet. Because if you go ahead and glue it up and you made a mistake, you're pretty well done. So anyhow, well, that one worked out good. I know you can't really see the other one, I don't think, with the camera focus on it. Oh, fell out on me. Stupid thing. Put it back in there. I need my best helper with me. Daggone pipe keeps falling out. Running back and forth, it just slows you down, but anyway, you can eventually get it by yourself, but I really enjoy having Mrs. Steve with me. Oh man, feel like Curly on the Three Stooges. No, 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 no. Well, we're starting to get it to stand up and come together. And you can see a little bit more now as we move along. That back rail down near the tractor, we'll put the last piece in it. Then as we put the back piece in back there, then we'll kind of see how it's going to all work out and how the ends are going to work on the top rail. Don't forget, scrape all the burrs and everything off so that it'll fit in your T's and your fittings. Anytime you cut the pipe, always scrape that off so you can fit it up in tight in the fittings. I'll just tell you, been out there working about all day, and it's just tiring. Up and down and back and forth and everything. But if you're going to persevere, you just have to keep struggling on and see if how this thing's going to work out, putting the extension on there so I can put the 90 elbow on it and go down here and put the other one on this piece for the 90 elbow on it. I'll go ahead and get my 90s out, put them on the ends. So we should be getting ready. Hopefully this will fit up right, and we should be getting ready to cut our cross piece. Get our cross pieces cut for our top rail. So then we should be moving on. There she is, folks. This is going to be it for today. That's 10 by 10 Schedule 40 series pipe, made in Asheville, North Carolina. We like to use USA stuff if there's any way we can. So tomorrow we'll build the lid, and we're going to glue it up and put the fence on it, and it'll be ready to go. All right, thanks for visiting. Please subscribe. We hope you like this kind of content, and this is going to be our new portable chicken tractor for here in the yard, backyard. And so anyway, if you've been here before, thanks for coming back, and if you've never been here, please subscribe, hit the like, and pound the like and hit the bell. Thank you. God bless.